Ever wondered how Forex millionaires turn their trades into gold mines? Today, we're diving deep into the ultimate secret that propelled many to financial freedom. You won't find this in any beginner's guide. So stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll be armed with the strategy that could transform your trading game forever. Imagine living the life of your dreams. No boss, no deadlines, just financial freedom. That's the Forex millionaire lifestyle. But what's their secret? Is it luck, insider knowledge, or something else entirely? Let's unravel the mystery. Before we reveal the secret, let's clear the air. Forex millionaires don't rely on wild guesses, risky gambles, or magic indicators. The truth is, their success boils down to one critical factor. And here's a hint. It's not what you think. The secret? It's discipline and risk management. That's right. It's not about the perfect strategy. It's about controlling your emotions and protecting your capital. Let me break it down for you. Forex millionaires master 3 key rules. 1. Never risk more than 1 to 2% of your account per trade. 2. Always use a stop loss to protect your capital. 3. Focus on consistency, not quick wins. These might sound basic, but mastering them is what separates winners from losers. Now here's the edge millionaires have. They don't just manage risk. They think long-term and constantly refine their strategies. They don't chase profits. They focus on process and discipline. Let me share a pro tip that many millionaires swear by. Compounding your gains. Start small, aim for consistent wins, and watch your account grow like magic. Now it's your turn to take action. Remember, the secret to becoming a Forex millionaire isn't in fancy strategies, it's in mastering yourself. Discipline, risk management, and consistency are your golden keys. If you found this video valuable, hit that like button, subscribe for more insider tips, and share this with someone who needs to hear it. Together, we'll conquer the Forex market. Stay tuned for the next video where we dive into specific strategies that Forex millionaires use to grow their accounts. Don't miss it.